I'm really excited about today's dish. We're making a Thai-style vegetable curry. It's warming, it's delicious, it's nourishing. We're gonna take some spices that I bet you already have in your cabinet, combine them into a blend, proprietary for this dish, and cook this thing down. The color is bright, the flavor is bold, and you are gonna feel empowered with this new dish in your repertoire. Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. Welcome to Struggle Meals. Traditionally, a Thai curry has a lot of fresh ingredients that are blended up into a paste. It's very complex, and it's pretty cost prohibitive. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna use our dried spices to make our own curry blend. Starting off with coriander. These are the seeds of cilantro. Cumin, it's warming. It's got a curry flavor. Turmeric, bright, earthy, rooty. Already you can see that this blend has a lot more turmeric in it. Putting in some black pepper and a little red pepper for heat. I'm gonna label this so I don't mix it up with the other one. Okay, there it is. Let's start cooking this thing up. A little bit of onions, peppers, carrots. Let's get a little fresh garlic and ginger in there. This is a really great way to deal with the garlic because you don't have to chop it up. It's super easy and it just dissolves. Let's get a little bit of our spice blend in there right now so the flavors can wake up in this extra high heat environment. So today we're making a vegetable style curry, but I thought we could add some tofu also. Tofu's awesome because it absorbs all the flavor that we've just made in the pot here. Fantastic. Adding the coconut milk into the curry. Here we go. Adding in some vegetable stock on top of the coconut milk. Let's bring this up to a simmer. Throwing in the tofu, here we go. Tomato going in, and all of our cauliflower and broccoli. This is gonna cook down, it's gonna be nice and thick, it's gonna be comforting, and you can take even more comfort in the fact that you made your own blend, which means you put more love into it, which means it's gonna taste better. So the first priority here is that we wait for the broccoli and the cauliflower to cook through, and the second objective is for this sauce to thicken a little bit. They're gonna happen at the same time. Let's throw our chopped up cilantro right in there. Let's get a little lime zest in there, lime juice, some salt. Let's make a bowl. We got some rice, and here we go. Yes. And what we have is a curry in the style of Thailand, which is the land of smiles. And I think that that's important to know because when I eat this, I will become smiley. Here we go. Taking a taste, getting some rice underneath. The Thai-style curry comes in at $2.52. We bought primary spices. We combined them into a Thai-style curry blend. I know all the spices I use are fresh because I labeled them and I made the blend myself.